something for, but definitely, nakaka-excite kasi sobra. Ang dami na-inspire, ang daming natuwa, ang daming lumalim at deeper reason why we need to do Game Global right now because of the message of our top one of our Hall of Famer, Mr. Joseph Lee. Na-inspire ba kayo? Wow! Amazing!
Narinig ko yan kanina, di ba? May sumisigaw bago magsimula si Uncle Joseph.
May mga, meron ng mga, alam mo, dumasabi yung commitment talaga. Sabi ko kanina, yung humility, yung pag-absorb, pag sinabi ng board of directors, we need you to do a training. Galing pa ng, sa Cebu with Doc Ed and Sir John. Bohol and Cebu. Imagine, back-to-back kick-off training, Bohol and Cebu with Sir John, with Doc Ed. Straight flight, kaninang hapon lang. Ngayon, nagbagsak na naman ang isang napakalupit. Na-inspire ba kayo? Mamaya, bukas, tomorrow, mamaya, babalik pa ng Cebu. Ganon katindi ang commitment, ganon kalupit. Kaya,
Pero malupit, birthday pa.
yun ang matindi doon.
Grabe.
Yun ang matindi doon. Alam mo, ito nakaka-amaze doon. Talagang, doon makikita na kung ang tampon niya, ano rin ang kinikita, ganito ang rate of success. Ganito pa yung commitment at saka pagmamahal sa kumpanya. Paano pa yung mga nagsisimula pa lang sa Igloban? Kung yung mga kumikita ka hindi makatulog dahil sa future mo ng Igloban, paano kayo mga nagsisimula? Ang sarap pa ng tulog. Kaya dapat hindi maging inspirasyon ng iba. Dito pa natutulog. Dito sa dito pa natulog. Okay. This time, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, to give tribute and message, mga kaibigan, of course, for the deep commitment and the pagmahal natin sa ating Hall of Famer, Mr. Joseph Lee. Let me call on to the stage, mga kaibigan, of course, our
Top 20.
Board of Directors. Of course, ito po, let's all welcome, mga kaibigan, the Board of Directors of Alliance in Motion Global.
Okay.
Okay.
For the meantime,
Okay, ito, ready to see Sir Francis. Let's give a round of applause, mga kaibigan. Sir Francis Miguel. Sir Francis Miguel. And of course, our chairman for Life Foundation, Dr. Acori Cabanto. Medyo malakpak, mga kaibigan. Mataas na rin naman. And of course, none other than our visionary president, Dr. Ed Cabanto. Wow! Okay, calling also on the stage our Vice President, Mr. Georgian Gonzalez and Sir Arnel Lipin. And of course, mga kaibigan na po, ang mga foundation ng company natin, ang mga uplines, the top 20 distributors of A Global. Wow! Happy birthday! And of course, ito po, ito mga uplines ng ating management. And of course, to show our love sa ating Hall of Famer, Mr. Joseph Lee, and for his commitment, mga kaibigan. Okay lang ba, sabayan niyo po kami for us to sing a happy birthday song sa ating Hall of Famer. Okay lang po ba yun? Yes! Sasabay po ba lahat? So let's go and sing. One. Music.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday! Medyo malakpak, mga kaibigan! Of course, hindi matapos itong surprise celebration natin for grabing celebration to buong Mall of Asia Arena. hindi natin tapusin itong celebration to without the message, of course, ng ating mga board of directors. Let's ask the message ng ating BOD for our Hall of Famer, Mr. Joseph Lim. Let's go on first from our Chief Finance Officer, Mr. Francis Miguel.
Joseph. Gusto mo malungkot? Joseph, happy birthday. May your day be filled with happiness from bottom to top. With sobrang blessing this year and for the next coming year. Happy birthday, Joseph. Doc Bonnie.
Good morning po, Joseph. You know guys, Joseph is in Cebu, katulad ng sinabi niya kanina, no? And then we just asked him to come over just to be with us this day. So kahit po kasama niya doon, alam ko iniwan niya yung isa sa pinakamahal niya sa buhay sa Cebu. Nandito po siya para ipakita sa ating lahat yung pagmamahal niya. So palakpakan po natin. Joseph, I appreciate you so much. Alam mo yan. I appreciate you for your leadership. Ang daming tumitingala sa'yo. Katulad nung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, nakita kita nung nagsisimula ka, kung sasabihin sa isang regular na word, para kang nagsimula sa isang tukmol. But then, he was so ordinary before, but look at him right now. He is one of the most extraordinary leaders that I have met in our industry. And ang daming tumitingala sa'yo, at ito ay isang responsibilidad, alam mo yun. And I know that you're going to uphold with this responsibility. And as I've always been saying, I am always proud of you. I'm so proud of you. But more than that, I know that someone up there is more prouder or the proudest. Yun po yung mama ni Joseph. So, nasa sa'yo ng lahat, magpapakabait ka lang. Alam na po niya yun, Marion. And the most important thing is that alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal. I love you.
Alright, Joseph, being the top one distributor all over the world, we believe lahat ng mga gusto mo nakuha mo na. But then again, kahit sinong successful na tao, meron pa rin silang wish. Ako, ang wish ko ay Joseph, katulad na lagi ko sinasabi sa iba na wish ko, I could wish you joy and peace to last your whole life long. I could wish you sunshine or a cheerful little song. I wish you all the paradise that this life will bring. But I wish you, listen. But I wish you Jesus more than anything. You know what? When you wish for Jesus, I wish you everything. Happy birthday, Joseph. Thank you.
Massive success usually is being achieved by a person who is also massive in terms of action. Joseph is a person whom you can describe with massive action. So if you want to become like Joseph with massive action, and for the main man of the night, more than 30 years now, kaya natin magitin yung extra years. More than 30 years na si Joseph, so I wish you more than 30 years of continued success, times 30 of the wealth, times 30 of the success, times 30 of the empire, of the countries that you will conquer, times 30 of the people whom you're going to help throughout the 30 years, next 30 years of your life. God bless our number one distributor worldwide, Mr. Joseph Lim. Happy birthday, Joseph Lim!
Okay. And of course, Miko, yung ating mga top 20, at least makapagbigay din ng message natin. kay Alvin Joseph. Kay Maylin?
Di ba?